So, here are the three results we just got from our previous videos. One is the difference of squares or sum and difference of same terms. Others are the square of a binomial. Remembering those patterns will save our time and help us solve many algebra puzzles. So a sum and a difference pattern means that you have one that's added, one that's subtracted. But notice that the a and the b in the first binomial are the same as the a and the b in the second binomial. Now we know the distributive property. Let me just show you that real quick. So if we distribute the a, we get a square. Now if we distribute a to the negative b, we get negative a times b or ab. And then we get plus b times a or ba. And then negative b square. But what you will notice is, see the negative ab and the positive ba. Those are the same terms, so one is negative, one is positive. They cancel. And you can see we are left with a square minus b square. So when you see a pattern like this, all you have to do is multiply the first terms together and the last terms together. You don't have to worry about the inner product and the outer product because those are going to cancel out. We are going to do some examples, you will see how that works. The second type we are going to work with is the binomial square. So remember, binomial means two terms and it's the quantity raised to the second power. Now another way to do these problems if you wanted, of course what I am trying to show you here in this video is the shortcut, is when you square something, it means that you have two of that quantity, right? So what you can do is, you can distribute this out. But I am going to show you how you can do this a little bit quicker. So a times a is a squared, a times b gives us ab, b times a gives us ba or ab again, and then b times b gives us b squared. And you can see that ab plus ab is 2ab. So we are going to talk about a quicker way of doing it. Is you take a the first term square, you take the b, that's the second term square. But to find the middle term, you multiply a times b and then you double it or multiply it by 2. Now what's interesting is that if you are adding this, is going to be addition or positive. But if you are subtracting this, is going to be subtraction or a negative. So far we have just used a and b, but they could be anything. And a very common error you people think it's just this one square plus this one square. And it's not, Let's try this with the actual numbers here. If you did 5 plus 2 the whole square, I will show you that it doesn't equal 5 square plus 2 square. 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 square is 49. That doesn't equal 5 square plus 2 square, which is actually 29. And then over here, if you do 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. And that doesn't equal 5 square minus 2 square or 25 minus 4. So what we have got to do, we need to, when we have a binomial square, this is the correct way to do it.